What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are heading up north to Glenallen. Carly's dad has a cabin up there and we're gonna go hang out for a couple days. All right, so we made it out to Glenallen. Here's the cabin. Right off the Copper River. Nice mountains over there. We got the hammock set up. Rio's killing all the sticks. This is our view for the night. Good dog. Say hi, babe.
Babe.
How's this hammock?
Awesome.
We've had this hammock for a while. It's by Chillax. Pretty good hammock. We've had many people in one, and it withstands all the weight. So we're drinking some Bud Light Seltzer, the mango flavor. Pretty good. It's definitely our go-to if we had to go get some Bud Light Seltzer, and then Bud Light Platinum. We're just hanging out with all the buds tonight. So something new that I added to my pack, guys, is this, I think it's like an 80 to 100 liter stuff sack, and tonight I got Carly with me, so I usually bring an extra, our extra sleeping stuff. So there's actually one 0-degree sleeping bag in here, and then one like 30-degree sleeping bag. I bring both of these because, you know, can never let the wife get cold. So I usually bring a little bit extra. We do have the stuff inside the tent as well. The 2 blankets and the pillows all fit in here. And then so we just have the extra sleeping bag and then the 0-degree sleeping bag, which is a monster, so I was actually storing these in a tote at one point, but I like the fact that this is a lot more, I can fit it into my truck a little bit better when I'm packing. I don't always bring this with me. I only bring it with me whenever I have Carly with me. So you're welcome, babe. And this is actually waterproof, and so I can put this outside, or I don't mind it being in the back like down here, because sometimes this does get wet. Whenever I'm driving, this does get wet, so things back here, it's not foolproof that they'll stay dry. So I wanted it to be in something that we know won't get wet while we're driving in case we run into some rain. Alright guys, so we are making some Italian sandwiches this morning, or this afternoon. It's the next day, by the way. The camera died last night, so I wasn't able to film, but we just chilled, hung out. So right now I got some pastrami, some salami, pepperoni, and some provolone. I'm gonna put some onions and peppers with some mayo and mustard, and on Italian bread. So pretty good sandwich. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of my camping tote right here, how I'm organizing it, and kind of what I bring generally whenever I'm going camping. Right in the middle, I got this little felt tub or felt little cube thing that I use to kind of organize things. I also grabbed a clear plastic tub because I want to be able to see what's what on the outside. But everything on the left here, I got my pan, got my coffee maker, drip, the new coffee maker by GSI that I got. Awesome system. Little Stanley pot and bowl set. Everything for cooking, like the utensils and spatulas and whatnot. Extra fuel, and I got some oil right here. And then in the middle, I got the coffee stuff right here. Got my plates. I got the utensils down here, some plastic utensils, and then all the spices right in the middle. So I have this multi-spice thing, or multi-spice shaker that I bring with me. And then I got salt and pepper. I got some tin foil, and we got some toilet paper, little plastic baggies, dish soap, baby wipes. Got my kitchen knife. And then on this side over here, I have more of like general camping stuff. So all of the bug spray. I got some fire starter right here. Got a cutting board. Got some bear spray. Just a general boo-boo kit. Band-aids and wipes and stuff like that. This is everything to like make a fire. And then inside here at the bottom, I got a bunch of ponchos and stuff like that. So just other camping items that you may not normally use, but I kind of keep them all on this side in pouches to kind of keep things organized. And then I got my pan. As you can see, I got a little no-seam head net that comes in handy. And then on the sides here, that's kind of why I like this cube in the middle, because I can put stuff on either side and keep things kind of separate. But I got some garbage bags and some Ziploc bags on this side. And then I got my paper towel holder here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's kind of how I organize things, and everything here pretty much lives here, and I don't ever take it out. So this tote is pretty much good to go. Every single time I want to go camping, I just grab this, grab my black tote back there, and then I am ready to roll. All right, guys, so we are back home now. Sorry my camera died. Both my batteries for my camera were totally dead, so I wasn't able to get any real footage after I kind of showed you guys around the camping tote. Hopefully you guys still like the video though. Thanks for watching, guys.